My question is, do you use LinkedIn for advertising? I haven't finished listening to week 6, so I don't know if there's anything coming up regarding LinkedIn. I was just wondering if you think it's a good idea to use LinkedIn for putting out ads, as this is quite popular here in France, and I could target the CEOs and entrepreneurs and marketing directors. I'm actually more of active on LinkedIn than Facebook, but never really used LinkedIn for advertising yet. Any experience? Thanks in advance. There's a reason that LinkedIn as an advertising platform hasn't taken off, and it's because it's not up to the standard that Facebook is. Like, they just haven't given, advertisers all the targeting ability, and it's just the cost per clicks on it are prohibitively expensive as well. A lot of people look at LinkedIn as a really attractive thing because you can target on job titles and all of that kind of stuff. But realistically, you can reach all of those people on Facebook, usually for 1/3 of the price. Plus, you get much more rich data. So you can target on what pages that they like and books that they've read. And you can just get way more into the psychographics of that. So, we certainly, have tried LinkedIn, and we can get it to work, but the cost per leads and the ROI that you get from that channel when you're looking at Facebook and the scale that it gives. I'm really big, as you can see from everything that I teach in the course, is being really laser focused, and my whole methodology is around putting more wood behind fewer arrows and not having lots of arrows. The more complexity that you add to things, the more chances are that things are going to shit the bed and break down, and they're going to crash and burn. So I'm big on focusing. I know that you can build a huge business, as I have done, on just 2 traffic channels. Google and Facebook, they're the 2 only grown-ups in the room right now. I hope LinkedIn gets to a place where it is a really good platform, but it's just not there right now. It's definitely good for extracting those emails, putting them into Woodpecker, putting content and doing all of that, catching wild balls and doing outreach like that. But in terms of a paid acquisition channel and something that has a lot of scale, Facebook and Google is where it's at. Hey guys, we're coming to you from lockdown in Melbourne. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, share it with a friend. We're dropping a video like this every day on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.